Today we are gathered to witness the signing of the Grand Protocol of Agreement between the Republic of Zimbabwe and the AfDB for Tax and Accountability Enhancement Project, amounting to 10.4 million US dollars, or in the currency of the AfDB, it amounts to UA 7.6 million. This is to support ZIMRA, Parliament and Auditor General for the following components. One, the tax and revenue management system modernization to the tune of 8.1 million US dollars, or 5.907 million UAE. Number two, improving capacity of the oversight function of Parliament and external audit to the tune of 2.9 million US dollars, also equivalent to UA 2.1 million. And finally, project management, including monitoring and evaluation activities to the tune of 0.6 million US dollars, or 0.414 UA million. On its part, government will contribute 1.1 million US dollars, so we've skin in the game as well towards the project. And this 1.1 million in FDB currency is 0.801 UA million. As you may be aware, His Excellency the President of Zimbabwe, Comrade Mnangagwa, is rallying all Zimbabweans to rigorously and diligently work towards attainment of Vision 2030 to transform Zimbabwe into an upper middle income